Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel if you're new here. I'm looking a little bit half done because today we're going to be doing another foundation review. I am super excited for this one. It's another drugstore foundation, unfortunately, so if you're looking for me to try like an expensive foundation, it's coming. I'm super excited about this because not only am I going to be trying out the foundation, I grabbed a concealer that I hope matches the foundation because it's from the same brand, and I'm just keeping my fingers crossed because oh my gosh. Yeah, let's just get right into this video and let's do this. So the foundation that I'm going to be trying out is the Yardley London Even Complexion foundation. I grabbed the shade Hazel, but I also think I might be the shade Almond. I don't see the shade Almond on any sites, so I don't know if it got discontinued or if I was dreaming and it was from like another Yardley Even Complexion foundation range. I'm not sure, guys. So this foundation claims to be anti-aging. It's got skincare benefits that help fight the signs of aging. It contains ideal lift for firmer, younger, radiant looking appearance. It contains SPF 20 to protect against the harmful and aging effects of UV rays. It's medium coverage and it's dermatologically approved and blah de blah de blah. This is a 30 ml pack, and this is basically what the foundation looks like right here. Ooh, right here. And it's got a pump and it's drugstore. So I also got the Yardley HD Concealer Pin. I got the shades dark and medium warm. It's a high definition concealer pen and it conceals blemishes, under eye circles and imperfections. Enjoy an easy, smooth lighting application with a mattifying cream to powder finish, dermatologically and ophthalmologically approved. I honestly don't know what that last part means. This is the medium coverage foundation and I am not a medium coverage girl. I don't even think that this is my shade. I don't even think that almond would have been my shade. That's the problem. I feel like it would have been like too neutral, and this one looks like it's gonna be too red. I can already tell from the bottle. So let's just go right ahead. I'm gonna take my Shop Miss AOA Studio High Def brush. This is the F4 brush, and this is an extremely affordable brush, guys. It is a Zola. Yeah, literally $1. But it does come in like a set of 10, so there's the catch. And I'm seriously having like a really crazy breakout right now. I don't know what's going on. I recently came back from a trip, so I'm thinking and I'm just hoping that maybe it's the water from like different place. I honestly don't know what happened there, but let's hope that it goes away soon. From what I can tell, this really is a medium coverage because I can still see a couple of dark spots here. On top of that, it looks like super orange, and the next darkest shade or deepest shade I think is cinnamon, which is really like really dark for me. So I don't know how that would have fared out, but I mean, it's not a bad concealer. I'm just using like a whole lot of pumps. I don't know, maybe it's because I'm using a brush, and maybe I could give it a chance to the beauty blender. I don't know. Another thing that I'm noticing is it kind of goes on a little greasy, like really greasy, and I don't know, maybe it's because I have oily skin. So I am so used to like mattifying, like super mattifying foundations, so maybe it's like a good thing that concealer is like a cream to powder finish because this is so greasy. And the other thing is that this thing has sunscreen, so what if it's got like flashback? Okay, let me get serious. Let me not be negative. Come on, we can do this. So far this is how it looks. I'm probably gonna put another layer on, but let me just do the rest of my face and we will move on from there. Okay, you know what, I honestly thought that this is gonna be too dark, but the thing is, it's not dark, it's just really orange. This is like a foundation where you just wear it alone on days where you don't really want to have like a beat down face, because it is like, to me this is like light coverage. I don't know, maybe because I'm looking at it in person, but to me this is definitely light coverage, and I'm not used to light coverage foundations, let me just say that. Okay, so now I'm just putting on another layer of that foundation, and I don't know if it's me, but I feel like putting on another layer kind of like moves the layer at the bottom, and that is not not a good thing. That is not a good thing. And the thing is, I use like a silicone primer, so I don't know if this foundation is water based. Because this foundation is medium coverage, I feel like I'm really packing it on to at least get the coverage that I'm kind of sort of used to. And this is kind of feels like a lot of work. It feels like a lot of work. So clearly this foundation is definitely for people who just love slight beat downs on the go, and you don't really want to look like you just came out of a makeup artist's studio but you still look good. I'm gonna try the dark concealer first, and I'm so worried. I don't like concealer pins. I don't like concealers like this, guys. I like concealers from like a tube. I'm used to concealers from like a tube. Let me just swatch. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. This literally looks like the foundation. And then we have medium light over here, which looks kind of like chalk on me. Okay. I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time. I literally feel like I'm holding my breath. Okay, Thea, shut up and get serious. I don't know if you guys can see a difference. Let me just use dark. I just broke it. Can you guys like even see that? Cause I can barely, okay, this I can see, but the dark, okay, so I need to work fast. Bruh, why is it getting so patchy? Oh no! No, I'm not gonna do this. I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me, my trusted friend, because what was that? What was that? Look at how that blends, guys. Let me just, don't start telling me you should have used the beauty blender. With my Maybelline Fit Me, my ColourPop, my LA Girl, it doesn't really matter if I'm using a brush or a beauty blender. They do what they need to do, okay? And to think I used like a Yardley foundation and did this, so what is the problem? Okay, so I'm just gonna blend in my Fit Me and move on from this disaster, because you know I actually thought it was going somewhere. It wasn't going nowhere. Okay, so now I'm just gonna contour my face, because we kind of stripped my face of all that warmth, and I'm just using my Maybelline foundation in the shade 355, and I'm just gonna put that on the perimeter of my forehead, cheekbones, jawline, and of course my nose. This foundation might just be coming through a little bit, just a little bit. It doesn't look half as bad as I thought it would be because of its like really orange type undertone. I don't know, maybe because the translucent powder is kind of coming through. Let's just hope that I'm not being delusional here and it actually looks kind of as decent as I am hyping it out to be. Okay, so that concealer was definitely a no. I don't even want to finish the video before I tell you that. That concealer, no. And to think it's like $100, yo, save your money and get yourself some ColourPop for real. I just realized, maybe that when I was looking up the details of this foundation, I looked up the Yardley Defy Time foundation, and the one that I got is the Even Complexion foundation. I am so sorry for that. Basically what this one says is it's available in 8 shades, and these are almond, caramel fudge, hazel, mahogany, medium beige, natural, and sand beige. And the shade that I am using is hazel. I did think at some point that I was almond, but I might be a little too light for almond. I might be caramel, because mahogany definitely looks a little too dark, like way too dark. And this foundation claims to reduce the appearance of dark spots. It evens out the skin tone. It leaves the skin looking radiant day after day. Contains SPF 20, best suited for dry or oily combination skin. It's matte finishing, and it's moderate to high coverage, and it's fragrance free. it doesn't give me a lot of information on the site. I think that's the problem with Yardley London stuff. Like for right now, I don't know how long it's supposed to last on my face without starting to break down, but that's what we're tests are about, right? So that is exactly what I'm gonna do today. This should be fun. It's exactly, I think, 15:54. That is 3:54 p.m. right now. I applied it about 20 minutes ago, so we can say 3:30 p.m. and we can start there and we can see how well or how well it fares during the day, well, for the rest of the day. And I think it's getting given a fair shot because like the sun is about to set and it gets really hot here in Botswana, but this should be fun to see. I'm gonna be honest with you, when I was putting on this foundation, I was like, oh my god, and then the concealer just made it worse. Like my anxiety was off the roof. This concealer, it's made for people who don't have like a lot of bags, and I don't know, I feel like it's chalky and it doesn't really blend well. Maybe I should give it a fair shot with like a beauty blender, but I don't think that it's gonna make much of a difference. And I was hoping that because it's looking so thick and creamy, but the pigment really sucks, and I honestly don't recommend this concealer pin. Save your money, just get yourself something worthy of your cash. This is definitely not worthy of my cash. I will probably try and use it on other clients because there's clients that, you know, we have different skin and they probably might have better skin than I do, but this is definitely not worth your money. This is, I think, 180 pula or 190 pula, and it is available at Clicks. The foundation is, I would recommend it. I don't know if I'm okay with it having just 8 shades because that is even worse than the Body Shop that I reviewed last time. Like, how do you have only 8 shades? And how is the shade that I am using the second to darkest shade in the range? You know what I'm saying? Like, we've been talking about this topic like 20, 40 shades. Colourpop is 42 shades. Cover FX 35, 45 shades. NYX just released, I think it's a 45 shades. The Can't Stop Won't Stop. I can't wait to review that, by the way. But you know, all I'm saying is we now know that drugstore brands can do better than this. They just don't want to. However, this foundation really does look good. I don't know. I feel like it looks good. I'm looking at it in the mirror and it looks good, but I don't know if it looks good on camera. So let me just stop talking right now. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed yet another edition of my foundation hunt. If you guys want me to make this type of thing a series where I actually go out there and get a foundation, review it, wear test, and show you guys, tell you guys my thoughts basically, then you know what, I would actually be totally down for that. For now, let's just get on with the rest of our day, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. And yeah. Hi Stitcho. Hey gorgeous. Hey gorgeous. Okay, I really hope I am in frame this time because I was talking for a whole minute 30 seconds by myself. But anyways, hi everybody. Hi again, me, the viewer. And it looks good so far. So good. I think, I don't know, maybe it looks good in my eyes and it actually looks really bad. I hope you guys can actually see what it really looks like. Like I said, it's been 2 hours and I think I kind of like the way it looks. It's not so bad. I can live with this, I think. Oh, my arm is exhausted because I had to hold this camera up at an angle. But yeah, I haven't blotted, I haven't potted up anything. The only thing that I've touched up is my lips, and you know, maybe onto something. I just wish, come on, 8 shades. I am going to keep calling you guys out until you fix your lives. Okay, I'll see you guys in 2 hours. Okay, it's 8:26 p.m. I haven't blotted my face. I haven't potted like my face up to like dry it up, to like blot out any oil. And I feel like, you know, for 180 bula, it's kind of worth it. It does what it's supposed to do. I don't know if I can't really judge about, you know, fading my spots because it's like my first time using it on myself and like for this long. But you know what? If you want to go out and get this foundation, go right ahead. I definitely recommend it. I just really hope that you find your shade because the shade range sucks balls. Okay, I gotta go now and I'm tired. I need to wipe this off. I'll see you guys in my next video and I love you guys. Bye.